guys, I'm Mrs. Baxter, and today we are going to work on multiplying decimals. Let's give it a shot. So, when we multiply decimal numbers, we are going to follow the very same steps that we use when we multiply any multi-digit whole number. So let's take this problem for example. 9 45 times 2 3/10. So we're just going to pretend like our decimal points aren't there for a few minutes. If you wanted to, you could use a little sticky tab or something to cover them up, but I find it just as easy to pretend that they're invisible. So I begin by multiplying by the digit all the way to the right here. I multiply 3 times 5, which is 15, 3 times 4, which is 12, plus 1, 13, carry that one, 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1 is 28. Now, cross those out because I'm finished with my carrying, and I'm ready to start multiplying by my next digit. Before I do that, I fill in my placeholder 0 on this far right hand side so that I'm ready to start multiplying by my next place value. 2 times 5 is 10. I put down my 0 and carry a 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9, and 2 times 9 is 18. Now, just like I do in my ordinary multiplication algorithm, I add up both rows. 5 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 8 plus 9, 8 plus 2 plus 1, and 1 plus 1. Now, I have completed my multiplication part. The last step is to remember that those decimals are still a part of our number. So I count the number of digits that come after a decimal point in my problem. That is 1, 2, 3 digits that came after a decimal point. And I need to reflect that down here in my answer. So I want 3 digits to come after the decimal point. So I count back 1, 2, 3 places and put my decimal point in so that there are 3 places after my decimal, giving me a final answer of 21 and 735 thousandths. So remember, when multiplying decimal numbers, first pretend like they're not there. Multiply the way you know how. And after, count the number of places that come after a decimal point. Then place that in your final answer.